Hi, I'm Ann Gregory of the Door Store and Windows. It's been a rage for several years, and it's the scenic doors. I guess we've been selling them for 4 or 5 years now, and we have all kinds of options, and we're going to talk about the options about bringing the outside in. And this particular door is a bifold door, and it accordions over. You see it in all of the cool magazines, Architectural Digest, and we sell a lot of these. They can be done in new construction, replacement, remodeling. It's just one of the many ways that you can bring the outdoors in. This particular scenic door is a multi-slide door, and it's a stacking door. So the way it works is you just pull it, and it's very simple to open, and what happens is it hits this door and then it drags this panel, and it just keeps stacking. The original door here was overall 4 inches narrower and 4 inches shorter, and we didn't have these little windows on either side. Because the room inside is small, I wanted outswing doors, which then all of a sudden I couldn't put screens on them because I am an outdoor girl. So I ended up putting these 2 little windows on either side, which gave me a whole lot more light inside and the ability to open and ventilate.
This door, it's a sliding door. It opens on this side, and with the flip of a switch, it opens on this side. We have screen doors that'll meet in the middle because it is Kentucky and we have flies and mosquitoes. We might have lovely temperatures, but we don't want the creatures in. And this has just been a perfect solution, and we're enjoying it so much.